you love that Panda Express Kung Pao sauce, that glossy one that coats everything perfectly, you're going to love this. This is a homemade copycat you can make in minutes using simple pantry ingredients, and honestly, it tastes just as good, if not better. Get the full recipe from the description. For the base, we're starting with a quick cornstarch slurry using 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 3 tablespoons of water in a small mixing bowl. Mix well until well combined and leave it aside. Then add half a cup of low-sodium soy sauce along with another half cup of water, followed by 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar to a saucepan to build that classic tangy-sweet balance. Now briefly stir the ingredients until the sugar dissolves over low heat. Once the sugar is dissolved, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of freshly minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. This is where that classic Kung Pao aroma really starts coming alive. For heat and depth, in goes 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, followed by 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce to build that savory, umami-rich base. Now I'm finishing the base with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, just enough to bring in that nutty richness Kung Pao sauce is known for. And to wrap it all up, half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes for heat and half a teaspoon of paprika to round out the flavor and color. Now stir everything together while bringing the sauce to a light simmer over medium-low heat so the flavors can really come together. Once the sauce is simmering, slowly pour in the cornstarch slurry while whisking continuously. This is what gives the sauce that thick, glossy, restaurant-style texture. Keep stirring as it cooks for a minute or 2, and you'll see it transform into that rich Kung Pao sauce that coats the spoon perfectly. If you're still watching, that probably means takeout-style sauces are your thing. Go ahead and like this video, share it with someone who loves homemade sauces, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell so you never miss a new homemade sauce or seasoning again. Once your sauce has thickened to that glossy, perfect consistency, go ahead and take it off the heat and let it cool down a bit. And here it is! Your homemade Panda Express style Kung Pao sauce is all set. This recipe makes about 1.5 to 2 cups of sauce, which is perfect for multiple stir-fries or meal prep throughout the week. Once the sauce has cooled completely, pour it into a clean jar or bottle, seal it tightly, and store it in the refrigerator. It'll stay fresh and flavorful for up to 1 week. Just give it a good shake before using. I really hope you give this one a try, and don't forget to let me know how you used it and what you paired it with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another SpiceRally recipe.